What's this?
This one,
What's the what's?
to go in the bicycle.
Yes. Wait. This one? What is this? Triceratops. And this one?
And Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus. And
What's that?
this one, the spiky back.
Is Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. Very good.
This one to help in the.
What about this? What about this? What's the name of this?
Ankylosaurus.
Ankylosaurus. Very good.
This is basic gunnet. No, this is a small space.
This small space. Next time we're going to buy big cage.
Big cage.
Yes.
So many Triceratops.
Yeah, so many Triceratops.
3, 4, and 7, and
5, 6.
and 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And show me some of your dinosaur then, and name them.
It's the Dicercations.
Can you pick it up?
Yeah,
Yes, and show Mama.
and show Mama.
Yep.
This is over here.
Show me the T-Rex then. Come on. Show me the T-Rex. Come on. Show me the T-Rex. Huh? What are you making?
This one.
What are you making?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes. It's a Dicercation something. It's a Dicercation again.
Oh, a dinosaur cage. You're making a dinosaur
Cage.
cage.
I make this one, but this one. How about this one? Up. You want up person in? You want
Yes.
up?
Yep.
She want up is it? She want
Can you show me that? Can you show me? Which one is T-Rex there?
T-Rex?
Yeah.
I think she was T-Rex. The green one is in the water.
Pardon?
The green one is in the water.
Indoraptor?
The green one.
Oh, the green one is Indoraptor. Can you show Mama?
Is your dear? You want to know? One.